What's up guys, welcome to the workshop. It's the only YouTube channel that's good, and good for you. Your cholesterol, if you know what I'm saying. I sure hope you do, because I really don't. So, today, I just thought I'd give you a little tour of the workshop. A little tour. So right here's where I do, right here's where I do all my videos, and masturbation, and fucking. If I had any women to fuck. Well, I got a couple bitches I can fuck. That was a terrible joke. I'm sorry. Let's get going. So, we are going to start the tour out on my bed. This is a very historical place right here. I lost my virginity. She was good. Oh yeah, and this is where my first Smith's Workshop video was created. So now, we head over here. This is my, I don't know, space for storing items. There's my amazing walk-in closet. Let me get some light up there. Oh my goodness. This is the lamp I use for light. Dresser. I love this walk-in closet. It's very ghetto. I hide stuff people shouldn't see. Like my dildos. And dead bodies. Alright, now time for the next corner of the room. Here we go, what's happening? Oh snap. So, this is where all of the gifts go on with Jean. And as you see there, that's a new addition. I just made that, it took forever. I was bored, so I just decided, what the fuck? You know? YOLO. Oh, I fucking hate YOLO anyway. There's my magical bowl chair. Oh, isn't it so magical? You fucking know it. It's a bowl for humans. What more can a kid want? No, I think I'll just hand you over to my terrible editor so he can show you what he does. Thanks, Ryan. So here is where all the... Wait. Did you just say terrible editor? Oh, hell no. If anything is terrible in here, it'd be your acting. Alright, you don't forget it. I'll fuck with you later. So here is where all the editing magic happens. This is my editor. I use Corel video shit. Yeah. So this is where I edit all my stuff, and I was actually in the middle of editing a video when smartass over there told me I was a terrible editor. You know what? How about you edit the videos yourself?
Yeah, well, how about you button up your damn shirt?
Come on, man. It gets really hot in here, and...
Well, no one wants to see it.
Oh, yeah? Bet some of the ladies want to see it. I'm pretty sure the ladies don't want to be jealous of your boobs, dude. Okay, now that we've taken care of that, minor little detail. We can now get back to me, the editor. Here's my workspace. PS3, computer, turtle tank. I've got my amazing headphones right there. Paint for no odd reason. Stand. Oh, a beautiful little light. The bloody knife I used to just kill Ryan. Still warm. And then over here we have this amazing workspace. Yeah, I totally just took out all the garbage and put it all in a bowl just to make it seem like I'm organized. Alright, that's all for this workshop, guys. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to do whatever you want with it. So, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I just died again if you killed the
Break it down.
Oh, God. They're gonna open that toxic. Fucking taste it. Oh, yeah.